Hi friends, today I'll tell you about American spy film and the 23rd in the James Bond series Skyfall. It was released in 2012. I will tell you all cast, real name, age and how they look like then and now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Cast: Miss Moneypenny, then age 36 years, now age 45 years. Real name Naomie Harris. Javier Patrice, then age 39 years, now age 50 years. Real name Ola Repes. Cast: Claire Dover, then age 44 years, died in 2021. Real name Helen McRory. Cast: Gareth Mallory, then age 50 years, now age 59 years. Real name Ralph Fiennes. Cast: M, then age 78 years, now age 87 years. Real name Judi Dench. Cast: Tanner, then age 34 years, now age 44 years. Real name Rory Kinnear. Cast: Raoul, then age 43 years, now age 53 years. Real name Javier Bardem. Cast: Q, then age 32 years, now age 41 years. Real name Ben Whishaw. Cast: James Bond, then age 44 years, now age 54 years. Real name Daniel Craig. Cast: Kincaid, then age 76 years, died in 2019. Real name Albert Finney. Cast: Severine, then age 33 years, now age 43 years. Real name Bérénice Marlohe. Thanks for watching.